Welcome to Residence Life's internal video series on the door lock battery changing process. Overview. We will be going over the step-by-step procedure to replacing the batteries in the electronic locks used on most residential unit doors, AC, AAC, RA office doors, and closets. Step 1. Battery change box. For battery changes, all work will require access to the rear of the lock, room-facing side. Each residence hall is equipped with a battery change box, which should be available to the AC/AACs and includes AA batteries, screwdriver and correct bits. Screwdrivers have expandable base to house bits. Red 1/8 bit for black plastic locks, blue T20 bit for plastic/metal locks, and a QR code to this video. Step 2. Identifying the two types of locks. Type 1 River Hawk Village, Riverview Suites, Leach, and University Suites resident rooms. All black plastic cover. 1/1/8 screw securing the cover to the lock. The red screwdriver bit is needed. Type 2 All AC, AAC, RA offices, closets, and all bourgeois residential rooms. Black plastic and metal cover. 2 T20 screws securing the cover to the lock. The blue screwdriver bit is needed. Step 3. Removing the cover. The only functional difference between the two types of locks is the size of screw and number of screws securing the cover to the lock. Examples will be provided based on the Type 1 lock. Equip the correct bit to the end of the screwdriver. Gently unscrew the screws until the cover hangs free. Cover can be removed from the lock after screws disengage the lock. Screws do not need to be removed from the cover. Place cover to the side to begin changing batteries. Step 4. Changing batteries. Changing the batteries is as simple as removing all AA batteries, order of removal/replacement does not matter, and replacing all batteries with new AA batteries. All batteries must be removed and replaced. Do not reuse any old batteries. Ensure all batteries are fully seated and in correct orientation in the lock before reinstalling cover. This step does not need to be completed within any specific time frame. The lock will reconnect and become functional once all batteries are replaced. Step 5. Reinstalling the cover. After replacing all batteries, you can now reinstall the cover. For Type 1 locks. Hook the top of the cover on the top of the lock before pushing the bottom of the cover into place. Hold the cover in place to align the screw and hole. Gently tighten the screw. Do not over-tighten, a few rotations is all that is required. For Type 2 locks. Complete all steps as above and tighten the top screw gently as well. Step 6. Function check. After reinstalling the cover, wait for all lights on the lock to turn off. Then wait 60 seconds to complete a function check of the lock. Tap a master card on the front of the lock to ensure it unlocks and opens. If the lock does not unlock immediately, wait 60 seconds and attempt again. If the lock still does not unlock, business hours contact a housing team member. After hours issue a room/suite key as able and notify the housing team for the next business day.